Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, especially when the temperatures start to drop. We're talking about the VEVOR 8000K diesel heater, specifically with its convenient 5-liter fuel tank. If you've ever found yourself shivering in your RV, workshop, or even a tent during a chilly camping trip, then stick around, because this review is for you. We've all been there, the excitement of an adventure, only to be cut short by the biting cold. Investing in a reliable heating solution can truly transform your experience, allowing you to extend your seasons and enjoy the great outdoors for longer. That's precisely why we decided to put the VEVOR 8000K to the test. This unit promises powerful heating capabilities and a user-friendly setup, all powered by a compact diesel tank. Let's start with the setup process. One of the most appealing aspects of the VEVOR 8000K is its straightforward installation. For those who might be a little intimidated by mechanical tasks, I can assure you, this is designed with accessibility in mind. The kit comes with most of the essential components you'll need, including the heater unit itself, the exhaust pipe, fuel lines, and of course, the 5-liter fuel tank. The instructions are clear and generally easy to follow. We found that mounting the heater unit was a breeze, and connecting the exhaust system was also quite simple. The fuel lines are flexible and designed for easy routing. The 5-liter tank is a fantastic addition for portability and ease of use. It's compact enough to fit in various spaces without taking up too much room, yet large enough to provide a decent amount of runtime. This is particularly beneficial if you're using it in a smaller space like a camper van or a temporary shelter. Now, let's talk about efficiency. This is where the VEVOR 8000K really shines. The 8000K designation refers to its impressive heating output, capable of warming up a significant space relatively quickly. We tested it in a moderately sized insulated workshop, and the results were genuinely impressive. Within about 15 to 20 minutes of turning it on, the ambient temperature rose noticeably, creating a comfortable and warm environment. The diesel combustion process is remarkably efficient. You get a lot of heat output for the amount of fuel consumed. This translates to lower running costs, which is always a welcome benefit. The 5-liter tank, while not massive, offers a surprisingly long runtime. Depending on the heat setting you use, you can expect several hours of continuous warmth from a single fill. For a weekend camping trip or a full day in the workshop, this tank size is often more than sufficient. One of the key advantages of diesel heaters is their ability to operate independently of external power sources, making them ideal for off-grid applications. The VEVOR 8000K excels in this regard. The included fuel pump works reliably, delivering fuel to the combustion chamber without interruption. The heater also features an integrated fan that circulates the warm air effectively, ensuring even heating throughout the space. We also paid close attention to the noise level. Modern diesel heaters have come a long way, and the VEVOR 8000K is a testament to that. While there is an audible hum from the fan and the fuel pump, it's generally quite low and unobtrusive. It's certainly not loud enough to be disruptive, especially when compared to the ambient sounds of nature or the general activity in a workshop. Safety is, of course, paramount when dealing with any heating appliance. The VEVOR 8000K is designed with multiple safety features. It has an overheat protection system that will automatically shut down the unit if it gets too hot, preventing potential hazards. The exhaust system is crucial for venting combustion gases safely outside, and it's important to ensure this is properly installed and clear of obstructions at all times. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation and operation to ensure maximum safety. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use. You can adjust the temperature settings and fan speed with simple buttons. This allows you to fine-tune the heating to your exact comfort level and optimize fuel consumption. We found the temperature regulation to be quite accurate, maintaining a consistent warmth without significant fluctuations. The 5-liter tank is also designed for easy refilling. It has a secure cap and a convenient opening, minimizing spills. When it comes to maintenance, Diesel heaters are generally quite low maintenance. Regular cleaning of the combustion chamber and checking. The fuel filter are usually the main tasks, and these are straightforward to perform. For those who are looking to upgrade their heating solution for a camper van, a small cabin, a boat, or even just a garage or workshop, the VEVOR 8000K with its 5-liter tank presents a very compelling option. It offers a fantastic balance of powerful heating, energy efficiency, portability, and ease of use. The ability to generate significant warmth without relying on electricity is a huge advantage for anyone who enjoys venturing off the beaten path or needs a reliable heat source in a remote location. We were genuinely impressed with the performance of this unit. It delivered on its promise of efficient and effective heating, making our outdoor experiences and workshop sessions much more comfortable. The investment in a good heater like this can truly enhance your enjoyment and extend the usability of your spaces throughout the colder months. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the VEVOR 8000K diesel heater. I hope this review has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated on more reviews and tips for outdoor living and DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.